Hello everyone, welcome to today's Salesforce tutorial. In this demo, I would like to show you how to use Process Builder in Salesforce to automate or record creations. This is our business problem. In this company, when the opportunity is closed won, users typically have to create new project manually, and they're asking so that this process to be automated. So the solutions we're going to offer them is to use Process Builder to automate the new project creations when the user changed the opportunity stage to close won. Here we are in setup. The first thing we're going to do is to go to Object Managers and create the custom object called Project. Here I'm going to name it Project. Going to allow activities and reports on this. And we're going to actually launch a custom tab wizard so that we can create our tab. So it will be immediately available for us to see. And for this demo, we are actually going to deploy the object. Typically, you want to use it in the development just to make sure that everything works the way it's supposed to be before you launch the object. Click Save. I'm going to select a tab style here. And we're just going to leave everything the way it should come here. Click Save. Okay, we're going to create a several custom field here. The first one is date. We're going to create a start date and end date for this project. And the next one will be the end date. The next field that we're going to create is going to be the pick list. We are going to name this field stage. And we're going to enter the value initiated, in progress, and complete. These are our 3 pick list values that we selected, that we created, I'm sorry. Click next here and click save. Okay, now that we created our project, then the next thing we're going to do is go to home. We're going to find Process Builder. Okay, so we're going to create new Process Builder. We're going to name this create new project. And the description, when opportunity is closed won, opportunity stage is closed won, new project is created. And we're gonna select this when record change. Okay, so we're gonna start this process builder by adding an object. So this is the starting point where this process will start. So we're gonna choose opportunity because this is where we want to start the starting point for our process. So we're going to select when a record is created or edited. Click save here. I'm going to add a criteria here. And the criteria is opportunity close one. So there are two conditions that we want to evaluate. So we're going to search for the stage. The first one is when the stage opportunity stage is change. So we choose true. So this means that anytime the opportunity stage is changed, and the second criteria we want it to meet is when opportunity stage equals close one. So these two criteria has to be true in order for the process to run. So here's we're going to select all the conditions are met. So both of these conditions has to be true in order to the process builder to fire. I'm going to save that. Now the next one, we're going to create an action. What we want to do is to create a record, and we're going to name that create new project. And we're going to find our project in this list, and this is the object that we created. So here we want to assign the project name as the name of the opportunity. Okay, so project name, the new record, every time the new project is created, we're gonna reference to a field, and the field that we're gonna reference is the opportunity name, so that the new project would have assigned the same name as the opportunity. Okay, so hit save, and that is it. That's what we want to do. We want to just make sure that we activate the process builder. So our process builder is active. So what we want to do next is just to check, make sure that this is working. We're going to click opportunities. Okay, it's all opportunities. We'll pick one that doesn't have a close one. Say the pyramid emergency generators here. So we're gonna select the opportunity stage here to close and select it as close one. Click save. Okay, and then we're gonna go to projects. And here you can see that the pyramid emergency generators projects is created. has the name here. It's the same name as the opportunity so that when your users see that, they know immediately like this is associated with the opportunity. And their start date, end date, and the stage that the user can choose. But the record is automatically created and associated with the object, so that reduces the extra steps that the user has to do every time they close an opportunity. The object is automatically created for them. And that is all for today's tutorial. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, just feel free to send any comments. Fill out the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And